Welcome to a cooking video brought to you by Inexpensive Eating. Let's take a cooking journey together and hopefully come up with something edible. First thing you'll need is a large pot and heat it over a medium flame. Next, you'll spray that bitch with some olive oil spray. Once the pot is hot, you'll add 5 chopped garlic cloves, or if you're not bougie, you can use a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You'll also add 2 small chopped onions. You'll mix these together and saute for 4 to 5 minutes. While that sautés, you can begin to work on your spice mixture. We'll start off with half a teaspoon of kosher salt. We'll follow that up with half a tablespoon of what I believe is pronounced as cumin. Then half a tablespoon of oregano. Two teaspoons of chili powder, or to your taste. 1/2 to 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper flakes. Getting spicy in here. Go ahead and mix up those onions a little bit, keep them evenly cooking. If you have the time at this point, you can start to prepare your chicken broth. You can buy this in a prepackaged box, or you can do it the hard way, with boiling water in packets. To quickly and easily boil the water, just microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes. We can whip out that turkey meat now. Break it up and place it in our pot. Of course, always wash your hands after touching raw meat. We'll continue to break up that meat and let it cook through for about 5 minutes, or if you didn't let it fully thaw after freezing it, however long it takes for it to be cooked through and white. It's at this point that I realized I need 2 cups of boiling water for our chicken broth, not just 1. You may also want to make sure that you don't overfill the cup so that it boils over in the microwave. Oops. Now you can whip out that nice blender of yours and start off on a bean broth mixture. You'll add 1 cup of your broth and 1 can of your beans to the blender mixture. You should also make sure to fully charge all of your batteries so that your GoPro doesn't die in the middle of filming. That just happened, by the way. Once that's blended, you can then add your spice mixture to the meat. You'll want to mix that up real nice. It's also at this point that you'll want to add your mild green chilies. I forgot it, so oops. You can then add in your blender mixture. 2 more cans of your navy beans. And the rest of your chicken broth. For a little taste of the finer things in life, you can go ahead and add a single bay leaf to your pot. You can go ahead now and mix all that together. And you're going to cover and reduce that to a simmer for about 30 to 35 minutes. You'll mix it occasionally until it's thickened and the flavors melt together. Now you can go ahead and add in half a cup of your reduced fat sour cream. Mix that all together. And you're going to go ahead and cook that for 4 to 5 minutes. And voila, you have white bean turkey chili. Now doesn't that look moderately appetizing? If you found this recipe edible, head on over to inexpensiveeating.com and peruse some of our other scrumptious, inexpensive, affordable, and easy to make recipes. Give us a follow on our Twitter and Instagram. And while you're at it, why don't you go and subscribe to YouTube? Because why not? Until next time, chew thoroughly.